Now, CBS 4 weather with Chief Meteorologist Craig Setzer.
Well, pretty nice night after we got through the rain across the area. Rain cooled and still some very light rain, just mostly sprinkles falling at this time. The activity just drifting out there, but slowly shrinking. Still some thunderstorms west of the lake and quite a bit of lightning there and some thunderstorms earlier in eastern Collier County and a few showers popping up just north of Key West. But should be mostly quiet as we go through the night. Temperatures not bad at all over the mainland, mainly in the 70s and low 80s over the Keys right now. But there is a cold front showing up on the map. First of the season, and it separates North Florida, where it's in the 60s right now, going to be in the 50s tonight, from Central and South Florida, where it's in the 70s and 80s. It's not going to be in the 50s tonight. The moisture for the tropical downpours is ahead of the front. The front is going to move just a little bit more before it stalls and waits until it gets another push. It looks like that push is going to come on Sunday. So through Saturday, no changes. Morning sunshine, afternoon storms, some downpours with the storms, and the dry air and the beautiful weather stays up north. That's Saturday. On Sunday, the front does start to move. We're still ahead of it, so some showers and thunderstorms. And then by Monday and Tuesday, the drier air does come in. Humidities will drop. Temperatures will go down a little bit, but it will be noticeable because once you're in summer humidity for so long, any drop in humidity is noticeable. 70 miles an hour, that's the storm speed right now. Just about to become a hurricane is Tropical Storm Sam moving west at 15. There is the future track forecast to become a hurricane by tomorrow, and then forecast to become a major hurricane over the weekend as it slowly bends to the northwest. But it is still, even on Tuesday night, well east of the islands here. Is it going to be a factor for the islands? Just too early to tell, but folks in the islands will be watching very closely. We're keeping an eye on it as well here in South Florida. What's steering it? Well, right now there's a blocking high, and that's kind of what it's pushing up against, which is going to be slowing it down. But eventually a dip in the jet stream is going to come along and kind of erode that high, give it an opportunity to go to the northwest. How does this all shake out? That's what we don't know, because the computer models have had a hard time forecasting this whole evolution here. There we are on Monday. There we are by Tuesday. So there is Sam down here. There's the block. There's the break in the block right here. Does Sam sense that break and go more to the northwest? We hope so. It'll keep it out to sea. Or does Sam somehow, the block is stronger, the jet stream dip is weaker, and Sam goes more to the west-northwest? We don't want to see that. But we've got plenty of time. It is very far away in terms of how fast it's moving, distance-wise, so plenty of time to keep an eye on it, not get worried at all. We're just going to watch it. For us tonight, the showers fade. Quiet overnight, a low temperature in the mid-70s. Tomorrow, look for steamy sun just like today. Afternoon storms develop. Some could be heavy. High temperature right around 90 degrees. On the water, winds east 5 to 10, seas 1 to 2 feet, mostly smooth on the bays and taking us through the rest of the weekend of the weekend. Sun and afternoon storms through Saturday, and then a weak cold front comes through Sunday night and dries us out for Monday and Tuesday, maybe Wednesday. Back to you.